Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily see the history of your threads in Perplexity. So basically, after you created a thread or after you have done a conversation or asking something to AI, the answer or basically your conversation will be stored in your Perplexity account. So here's how you can access them. What you need to do is you have to navigate to a menu called library. If you are using the desktop version, then it is going to be on the left side of the screen. But if you're using the mobile version, this library menu will be available at the bottom. Now, if you click on it, it will reveal all the threads that have been created on your account. And I will cover several features that you can interact with. So there's a button that says add to space. When you click on it, it is basically will allow you to bookmark or put the thread into a folder. This is very good if you are managing tons of interactions with Perplexity and you want to organize them based on the topic or based on the usage, then you can use this feature. Now, there is also an option to delete the thread if you wish. You can click on this menu and then click delete thread. And if I open the thread, you will see that it's basically the same thing. It's going to allow me to continue the conversation. I can also check the related questions and rewrite, share, etc. And also, speaking about sharing, there is a share button. If you wish to make the thread to be public, you can click share, and you can also turn it into a page. So page is a new feature in Perplexity. It is going to turn your thread into a Wikipedia-like page. And yeah, it's really just AI creating the content based on your guidelines, based on what you wish to include in the page. So you can do that by clicking on this button. But I think that's a topic for another time. And yeah, this is basically the basic thread interface in Perplexity, and you can continue creating more content. You can search images, search videos, and generate image, which I have covered on my previous videos. So yeah, that's how you can see the history of threads that you have created in Perplexity. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel. I'm probably going to cover more AI topics in the future, so let me know if you want to see more something like this. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.